Hi, this topic will cover how to upgrade to TallyPrime and start using it, right from downloading, installing, and activating the license. You can start using TallyPrime features in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is download the setup file, install TallyPrime, and then activate the license. If you are a new user, then create a company. Thereafter, you can start recording your transactions. You can also create all ledgers needed to maintain your accounts while recording transactions. And if you want to try TallyPrime before buying it, or you are a student, then you can use the educational version. If you are using an earlier version of Tally, then upgrade to TallyPrime. Thereafter, you can continue your business as usual. Downloading the application setup from the Tally Solution website is the first step in starting TallyPrime. Once you download TallyPrime setup files, you can install the application on your computer. Installation steps remain the same regardless of the TallyPrime edition you have purchased. You can install TallyPrime on any computer with 64-bit edition of Microsoft Windows 7 or later. Now, to download the set of files, you need to go to the tallysolutions.com, click download, select the folder where you want to save the setup file, click save. Double click the setup file, double click install new, configure application path if needed. By default, the application will be installed at C program files TallyPrime. Click configure, double click on the application path. If needed, you can change the path also. Please note, if you are already using tally.erp9, then it is recommended that you install TallyPrime in a different folder. This will allow you to use both the products simultaneously if needed. Close the list of configurations window. Click install. The application gets installed and the following window opens. Click Start TallyPrime to launch TallyPrime. Now, how to activate TallyPrime license. If you have purchased a single user silver license, then you can activate the license on one computer. However, if you have a multi-user gold license, then you need to activate the license on one computer on the LAN. Thereafter, can configure all other installations using the same license. First of all, you need to start your TallyPrime. The Welcome to TallyPrime screen appears. Click Activate New License. If you have a single site license, then enter your serial number, activation key, and administrator email ID. Please note, the email ID provided here will be linked to your account and used for all future communication and licensing activities. Press enter to proceed. The unlock license screen appears. Enter the unlock key sent to your email ID. Please note, if you have not received the unlock key, then press F2 to get the unlock key. Now press enter to unlock your license. Once your license is unlocked, the following message appears. Once you activate the license, then you can create your first company and start using TallyPrime for business transactions. Depending on the size and scale of your business, you can have different setups. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share my videos with your nearest one. and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.